Hi everyone, today I am back with another beautiful video of kurta sets. Beautiful color with the beautiful embroidery at the sleeves and at the yoke. Very beautiful embroidery and in beautiful rust red color, maroon color. Very beautiful lace and all, and with the beautiful straight pant. You can see with the lace, and at the side zipper is there. Zipper is also there. Very beautiful bottom, and this one is just for 950 only. XL size available in that. And see this one, very beautiful set from Biba. These are two piece sets. Kurta and plazo set is there. Very beautiful print, 40 bust size, and plain bottom will come. Price will be 1450. Okay, next will be beautiful print. See this, see this another beautiful kurti with beautiful print with the beautiful buttons at the neckline, and tassels are also there. Very beautiful print. Along with this beautiful plazo is coming with the border and all, with the beautiful drawstrings with back elastic and all. This is just for 1100. Sizes are available in this. Another set with beautiful embroidery, chicken curry embroidery. Color is just wow. Pink flowers can go for this. Single piece is available in XL size. See the sleeves. Okay, and see the finishing of the embroidery and all. With this beautiful bottom it is coming along with the lining and all. Just wow piece. XL size only available now. Price will be 1100. See this beautiful two-piece set in green color. Now festival season is going on, so these colors are very just suitable for the festivals and all. Green color foil print work will be there. So see the finishing of the work and all. This is just wow piece, and sizes are available in this. The price will be 900 only. These are all offer prices. This is in umbrella A-line pattern actually. Okay, and this will be the bottom. See this one, another beautiful two-piece set. Offer prices are going on. 900 will be the price for this two-piece set actually. Okay, sizes are available in this with drawstring and all. Sizes are available. Price will be 900. Earlier I was selling this one for 1100. Now the price is reduced for 900. See this one, very beautiful plazo set. Very beautiful color, mustard yellow color is the color with the buttons and all. 1499 is the price, and our price will be 800 only. This is the bottom. Okay, so only single piece is available, M size in this. This is woodland brown color. Very beautiful yoke design. See the finishing with the sequence work and the zari embroidery and all. Two colors are available in this. On the sleeves gotapatti lace is there. Two colors are available. One is brown color and another one is blue color, and this one is just for 900. These are all offer prices now. This is the bottom. Okay, see the beautiful piece. Beautiful peach color it is actually. peach color with the beautiful lace, organza lace and embroidery and all, very fine embroidery. Two sizes are available in this. One is XL and another one is large size. Beautiful wow piece. Okay, and this one is just for 900. These are all offer prices I am giving. See this bottom, very beautiful one with a beautiful lace. For 900 you are getting such a beautiful piece. Okay, two pieces are available for now. See this one, Biba 2-piece set. 1450 will be the price. Balloon sleeves, mull cotton, A-line pattern, umbrella pattern with inner lining. Okay, along with beautiful bottom, and on the bottom you can see beautiful buttons are also given. Price will be 1450. This is very beautiful. I just love this one. Very beautiful piece. L size and M size. L M means till Biba 40 sizes are available in this. This is high-low pattern with the front slit like this. Okay, beautiful leaf like design. Very soft fabric with the beautiful mask. Price will be 1650 for this. Fabric is just wow, very soft fabric it is. The bottom is striped plazo. Till 40 sizes are available. This is the last set. Price is just 550. Two sizes are available, L size and XXL sizes are available, just for 550 with the beautiful maroon bottom. Bottom is maroon color one. Bottom price only is equal to 500, so you are getting the set for 550. Okay, for today this much. I'll come with kurta sets video in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video.